Have you ever had an issue with the baluster coming off the wall? If you have, I'm going to show you a very easy way to fix it.
The baluster is supposed to be nice and tight up against the wall like this side. If we look at the other side, you can see that it's pulled away from the wall significantly. Now this can be caused by a lot of things, but most likely when people come down the stairs, they're grabbing this and swinging around it. I know that's what my kids do. But you see how loose this thing is? That can be very dangerous. You definitely want to get this fixed. Now as you move this loose baluster, you can see there's a few places where it comes loose. This is one of them. And where it connects down here is one of them. We need to fix both.
It's going to be pretty simple to fix this, and I'm going to show you how. You can find these screw covers, screw caps on Amazon. A pack of 50 or 100, probably 8 to 10 bucks. And you want to make sure you get a color, obviously, similar to the wood that you have. So I got a brown color. And you want to make sure you have good strong wood screws to put in them. If you don't know what a button cap is, so this is what it looks like. It's going to have a hole in it where your screw goes through. Then it's going to have a cap that folds over and snaps over top of it to hide the screw head. You want to make sure before you start any of this that the screw that you are going to use is actually going to fit through the cap and is going to sink down low enough to where the cap will snap on top of it. So you want to do a practice run before you start screwing into anything. This one does not work, so you want to make sure you get one that does work. Now here we have one that will work. So it'll go through the button cap there, just like that, and snap. So now you can't see that screw head. Then you just hold it, pop it back out. No harm, no foul. Because it's pulling out of this side, we're going to put the screw on this side into the wall to keep it in place. So you line up your button, your screw cover where you want it, and you go ahead and screw that in. Now we're going to do the same thing over here a couple times along this board here that connects the whole baluster to the framing here. So we've got our screw cover cap on. We're going to center that up. We're going to drill it right through into the framing. Got our first one in down here. It's already feeling a lot better. We're going to go ahead and put another one a little further up. For a few bucks on Amazon and some tools you already have around the house, most likely, you can fix this, save yourself a lot of money. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you next time.